Network Entertainment.
Mga kapatid, na-experience mo na ba ito? Nakabili ka ng gusto mong gamit pero parang feeling mo kulang pa rin. Yung parang minsan nagbibigay ka naman ng tulong sa ibang nangangailangan pero yung feeling mo, yung talagang fulfilled ka. Ang gaan-gaan ng feeling, di ba? Ang saya-saya mo. Well, if that is you, I have good news for you. You have found wealth with a purpose.
Hi, I'm Chinkitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free. Teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Today, pag-uusapan po natin one of the most important topics that probably are not really talked about. We always talk about on how we can become rich, but we never ask ourselves, what are the riches for? Para saan ba talaga yung yaman at perang iniipon mo? Alam mo, for me, ang tunay na wealth is not just about keeping money, but true wealth is all about sharing and giving away also your money. So, ngayon, pag-usapan na natin, paano mo masusukat na ikaw ay mayaman? Alam mo, I do believe ang yaman po ay two things yan eh. Tangible and intangible. Tangible wealth and intangible wealth. Tangible wealth, car, house, travel, experience, diba? Bagay, gadgets, bags. Yung intangible is time, love, relationship, health, peace of mind. These are intangible worth. I do believe it's never only about your net worth. It's about your life's worth. Hindi lang to tungkol sa dami ng pera ng account, diba, sa bank account mo. It's how you can make a difference in the lives of others. Do you agree? If you agree, give me a nod. Friend, if your success only benefits you, nako, malungkot siya. But if your success is also helping and benefiting others, fulfilling ka. Kaya nga, I just want to encourage you. Why giving back matters? Number one, it's joy beyond yourself. Shopping can give you temporary happiness, but giving to others gives you lasting fulfillment. Believe me. Number two, it's all about legacy building. Diba? Ito yung sinasabi, hindi mo madadala ang pera mo sa hukay. Yes. Kaya kailangan maiwan sa tamang tao, parang lalo pang mapalagaw at mapabuti sa ibang tao. And then also, remember, it's all about perspective and gratitude. Na makikita mo kung bakit ka talagang pinagpala ng Panginoon, diba? Imagine mo, ang daming taong nag-i-struggles. Diba? Pero ikaw, the reason why God wants to bless you, also, it's not only for your sake, but also for other people's sake. And then, it's a spiritual principle. Diba? When you say spiritual principle, the reason why God wants to bless you and me so that we can become a blessing to others. Kung nalaman mo talaga yung purpose ng wealth, it's not about accumulation, it's all about giving and sharing to give you fulfillment and meaning in life. Magbabago ang perspective mo. Guys, ako talagang personally, that's my ultimate goal in life. My ultimate goal in life is to give away 90% of what I earn. Again, 90% of what I earn on a monthly basis. Kaya super excited ako on that mark. Papunta na po tayo dyan. So, the question is, ano yung mga ways for me to give back with a purpose? Number one, you can support your family wisely. Tulungan mo yung mga taong hindi kayang tulungan ang kanilang sarili. Like for example, aging parents. Diba? Or yung mga talagang kapuspalad na hindi humihingi parati. Hindi talagang umaasa sa iyo. Parang God spoke to you, ay alam mo, i-bless mo tong taong to. Uy, may narinig ako na kulang ng tuition fee yung anak. Diba? Kung hindi sila humingi, diba? Pero alam mo, may need sila and if God moves you, so be it, bless them. But reminder, set boundaries that it doesn't breed dependency. Set boundaries that it won't also drain your own personal savings. Diba? Number two, how to give back? Find a community. Find a cause that you want to support. Diba? Like for example, ang cause na we want to support, we are supporting yung mga out-of-school youth. Mayroon kaming nakalaan talaga na amount of money on a monthly basis para makatulong kami. Diba? And then, another thing is what? You can also, kung, Chinky, wala naman ako pera. Okay, wala ka pera. invest your time and talent, not just money. Giving back is not very only about pera. You can share your skills, you can volunteer, you can mentor. Agree? And then also, set aside yung tinatawag nating benevolence funds kung gusto mo. Itong benevolence fund na ito, ang importante kasi ng benevolence fund is for you to understand na lahat ng tao ay may needs. At ikaw mismo, once in your life, nagkaroon ka ng need and someone help you. Agree? So, I want to encourage you to balance yung in terms of earning and giving. Friend, ang tunay na ganda sa pera ay, number one, yung parang nami-meet yung needs mo, na-enjoy mo yung wants mo, at syempre, nasi-share mo ang blessings mo. Ulitin ko, di ba? Nata-take care ang needs mo, na-enjoy mo yung wants mo, nasi-share mo ang blessings mo. By the way, I want to share you one more idea, but before I do that, if you enjoy this conversation, don't forget to check out my other podcasts with my wife, Happy Spouse, Happy House. It's all about strengthening relationship for couples and wannabe couples. So you will love it. Now, this is what I want you to do. Para ma-fulfill at ma-complete natin itong episode na ito, I want to shift your mindset. Nasabi mo, wealth is for me. Instead of saying that, para sa akin, wealth is for us, para sa ating lahat. In the next question, it's not the question how much I can keep. Ang dapat tanong, how much can I give? Yung next na iniisip po natin, I want to be rich. Dapat mindset natin, I want to be rich with a purpose. And remember, the purpose of blessing is not only for you to live a blessed life, the purpose of blessing is for you also to bless others. Grabe. Sana naman naliwanagan kayong sa episode na ito. Kaya don't forget to subscribe on this channel. And kung nabitin pa kayo, marami pa tayong episodes here. Or if not, you want practical and money life or success na talagang ideas, go to my YouTube channel, subscribe to Chink Positive also. I upload fresh content there daily. Thank you so much, and I hope that you are ministered. Tatandaan, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Chink Positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.